Hi, I'm going to show you how to make these candy canes. I made them with size 10 thread yarn. You can use any type of yarn. Um, I do recommend that you use some type of thread yarn because it's easier to stiffen them. I also used a 3.25 size hook. You can use a bigger or smaller hook depending on how big you would like these candy canes. And I'm going to show you how to stiffen them with water and glue. Okay, so let's get started. To get started, I'm going to chain 50. This is a size 3.25 hook. I'm chaining 50, however you can chain more or less depending on how big you would like your candy cane. So once you have your amount of chains that you prefer, then you're going to stop. The candy cane measures about 5 inches when finished. Double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Then you're going to double crochet in each chain across until you get to the end. Once you get to the end, you're going to chain one, pull through, make sure you cut that yarn, and you can weave in your ends with your yarn needle. And you're going to make two of these, one white and one red, and make the two the same exact way. Now you're going to create glue. So here's the white one I made, which was a little bit longer by mistake because I think the yarn was thinner. The mixture for the glue is 40% glue and 60% water. Once you have the mixture, then you're going to take your strands of double crochet, your strips, and then take the excess glue off with your fingers, and then you're going to intertwine the two of them together by twisting them to create your candy cane. So just twist it until it's twisted all the way till you get to the bottom, and you don't want that much of the solution on the yarn, but you want enough so it will harden. It takes about half of the day for it to harden, so you want to put you want to form the two strips of yarn together to create the candy cane and create the shape. And I have it on parchment paper so it doesn't stick, and then you'll just let it harden, and once it's finished, then your candy cane will be complete, and you can add a hook to it or some type of loop and place it on to your Christmas tree, and you can do them in different colors. Okay, so this is how you make the candy cane, and it's thank you for watching, and please subscribe.